electromagnet. The last when we take the ball from then we take conductor. Connecting with the not with the which is water good. It's not conducting the properly. Then what we do? We mix it salt a little bit in it, and then we shake. Okay, first we use in this solution not flowing with the brightness. Okay, we mix in it's salt. Then after we mix it well. Okay. After that we going with the same brightness for increase. Okay, so by this experiment we see that the conducting power of water is increased by the acid, base and salt. Because when we mix the acid, base and the salt, then this water is the conduct the electricity and it the ball. Okay. Okay. Next is the electromagnet.